Standardized measures are required for measuring things. Such measures are called standard units. We have to measure many physical quantities accurately. To measure any quantity, we use the unit specified for it. For example, the meter m is the specified unit for measuring length. A certain distance has been accepted as the standard for 1.0 meter. But the question is, why is there a need for such a standard unit? Suppose the span of a hand is accepted as the unit for measuring length. However, the lengths measured by each one of us will come out to be different. That's why a hand span cannot be a standard unit for measuring length. Prevailing systems of measurement. MKS system. In this system, distance is measured in meters, mass in kilograms and time in seconds. CGS system. In this system, distance is measured in centimeters, mass in grams and time in seconds. In the MKS system of measurement, distance, mass and time are accepted as the fundamental quantities. These three quantities are used to measure all other quantities. There are many physical quantities, but most of them are related to each other. For example, you have learned that the quantity speed is the ratio of the quantities distance and time. Now it's time to elaborate fundamental quantities. It is enough to select a few out of the many quantities and standardize their units. Units of the quantities, length and time to be standardized. Such quantities are called fundamental quantities and their units are called standard units. A standard fundamental unit must be available to all and it must not be variable. International system of units. An international system of units based on 7 fundamental units called the System International SI is currently used all over the world. It is also called the metric system. The names and the symbol of the units of the fundamental quantities in this system are standards of the fundamental quantities. The standard of mass, distance and time is kept in the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Paris. A solid cylinder made of a platinum iridium alloy is kept in the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Paris. As per international agreement, this mass is called 1 kilogram. Two fine lines are engraved on a platinum iridium bar. The distance between these two lines is accepted as the standard meter. The time required for one revolution of the earth is measured by means of an accurate device. This time is taken as 24 hours. To standardize 1 second, 1 hour is considered to have 60 minutes and 1 minute 60 seconds. Accurate copies of this prototype are made and distributed to standardizing laboratories, institutes all over the world. Importance of accurate measurement. How accurate a measurement must be depends upon its purpose. Accordingly, an appropriate device has to be used for the measurement. Measurement of substances that are precious, of great importance and used in very small quantities is done meticulously and accurately. Due to advancements in technology, devices that measure very small magnitudes of quantities like distance, mass, time and temperature are available now. For example, distance and time in sports competitions, mass of gold, body temperature, etc. Major causes of errors in measurement. First, not using the appropriate device. Second, not using the device properly. Third, unable to check devices against a standard measure from time to time. This is called standardization. Similarly, it's necessary to standardize the weights and measures used in market. Water collected in a dam is huge. Measuring this huge quantity in liters is not convenient, so it is measured in TMC. 1 TMC means 1000 million cubic feet. 1 cubic foot means 28.317 liters. So, 1 TMC is equal to 28,316,846,592 liters. That is about 28.317 thousand million liters.